Hi, my name is Chin Yong Fong, and my project is to develop the weight disposal system for the upper limb disabilities. As my aim for this project, I will need to develop an assistive robot to help the disability to pick up the rubbish from the table on the land and put inside the container with itself. So, as an objective, first I will need to design a robot that can use the facial expression to and the lower limb control, and then I will need to have the auto detective system that detecting the waste level on inside the container and alert the user whether the container is still empty or is already full. Right. And lastly, I will need to test the robot whether it's very ergonomic to be used. So as the inventiveness of this project, I will build up the robot that will have a AGV style that help the disability to pick up their waste from the land, as you can see in the image there. And I will have applied some image processing and neural network for the facial expression recognition to control the robot. Like for example, I can detect whether my eyes is closing or open, or my mouth is open and closing. And based on that expression, we will output to some signal to the robot and control the robot. And next, I will have applied the IMU sensor, the what we call the motion sensor, to capture the foot motion. You can see that the picture that I'm using my hand, right? Yeah. And based on the motion, I can control the robot. Yeah. So yeah. Next is that how useful is this project? This as this robot is. So I can control this robot using the foot motion, or we can integrate it with the hand motion, like in the image there, to provide the convenient control. Right? Or if we upscale this thing, we can carry more heavier thing from the higher position, or we can and put inside the container. Yeah. And this robot, of course, I am designing that can be used without the upper limbs. Yeah. Okay. So let's say why this project was commercial. Of course, this project was purposely designed for the upper limb disability. So it was targeting the upper limb disabilities market. So basically, when they want to build a prosthetic arm, it's very costly. Instead of building a prosthetic arm, most of them will recommend to have some assistive device like assistive robot as I designed. Yeah. So when we talk about the industrial application, okay, when we upscale this thing to something that can carry more heavier load. So of course you can go to a higher position, a longer disc will apply and carry more heavier load from the higher position and put inside a container as expected like this. And as you see, this prototype was very small. So for the sustainability development, the design of this robot actually is a modular design. We can attach the gripper and remove the gripper by redesigning, like maybe we want to have a suction cup or what, put at the gripper there. So the gripper, you can change many type of gripper and in terms of different application. Yeah. My prototype videos, as you can see, the first one, the robot is have a containing the following features. This you can see that when my maybe I will say my legs or replacing with my hand, when I go very in front, the robot will move forward, and as I move backward, I move to the left side or return to the left side. Yeah, like it's kind of a following style. Actually, if you can see that the following is quite laggy because I did put some testing uh, testing precaution so it won't go so far away. So next it will be the mouth control the gripper.
Is
As
it
you can
recording
see,
start?
I'm not sure you can really clearly get my mouse or not. Here, when I open the mouth, the gripper will open. When I close the mouth, the gripper will close. Yeah, let's see again.
Recording start.
Open. Close. Yeah. Next, I will
Close
say that using the hand motion or call the leg motion to control it. So when my hand is moving outward,
Pause or stop.
you can see
Close
again,
start.
moving outward. So this screw, the gripper will move outward, and move downward, the gripper will move downward. So this is like capture the pitch angle of my
Pause or
hand.
stop.
So it's in the same way it will capture the pitch angle of my foot. So maybe you can change a feature that to make the, because if you're using the foot, the roll motion will be difficult. So the only available motion will be the pitch angle. While if you implement in the hand motion, maybe we can do more motion detection like the roll motion, pitch, and maybe a thrust. Yeah. So it's more applicable to the industrial and more flexible. So next,
Recording start.
here is the way that I control the lead screw with my facial expression. As you can see, when I close my left eye, go to the left side. I close my right eye, go to the right side. Let's see again. The right, my right eye is closing. The left, my left eye is closing. Next, place, I can blink my eyes and coordinate this
Boleh juga lah mana-mana
gripper
pun
to
boleh.
automatically set the place
Ada
to
video tu,
insert the control.
sudah lah. Masuk lah.
So that's it. Thank you.